Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkan. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that Goldman Sachs is entering into crypto business pretty soon. And this is, very interesting because Goldman Sachs was one of them who said, okay, Bitcoin is a scam. And now things changing, just like with JP Morgan it was. Okay, and the second news is all about that Grayscale has invested a record amount into crypto. In a day, they put 700 million US dollar invested in crypto. So they keep investing. And the third news is all about that DOT, basically Polkadot, it's replacing XRP on the chart according to market cap. So DOT becomes number 4th and XRP drops to number 5. So all this in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency news, as I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day you're getting the freshest news. Plus, you can download a totally free course, which is how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You can find the link under this video, and you can find very, very useful links if you are about to start or you are already into the crypto business, but you would like to extend it a bit more, okay? And now let's check out the market, how it looks like. Okay, so we have Bitcoin at the moment at $36,341. This is a more than 5% increase in the last 24 hours. And Ethereum is 3% up, $1,224 US dollar. And then let's look at the gainers. In the top 100, the number one is right now the graph with 52%. Then we have Horizon 34%, Kusama 28%. And look, many gainers. So alts are still doing very well. Why Bitcoin is now going sideways? Alts doing extremely well. And this is how usually it is when Bitcoin behaves just like that. And let's look at the losers. We don't really have losers today. Look, Celsius has 3% minus. And then we have hash rate. They went up a lot. They went up like 250% almost in 7 days. And now tiny little bit drop. This is nothing in crypto. So yeah, still doing very well, and now mainly altcoins are leading. And when you're checking out the Nupal chart, which is very important in my opinion, it's also a little bit going down, and this is great. Whenever it goes up to that line and it becomes blue, it's changing its color as it's going up. From green, it becomes blue. It's many times the case that the euphoria stage, when actually too many people are in profit, and then it can cause a significant bear market. So it's always good that now this one is dropping, and I'm glad that this one actually it's now a bit going down. It would be nice to bit more go down because we would like these gains in long term. So we don't want to kill this bull market straight away. It would be nice to go till end of the year or something like that. Okay, so that's how we can see this is, I think, a very important chart. And now let's move on to the first news, which is all about that Goldman Sachs, the one which also said many bad things about crypto, about Bitcoin. It looks like it's entering into the crypto market soon. And here is our first news, which is all about that Goldman Sachs to enter crypto market soon with custody play. Well, we don't know when, but US banking powerhouse Goldman Sachs has issued a request for information to explore digital asset custody, according to a source inside the bank. When asked about timing, the Goldman source said the bank's custody plans would be evident soon, whatever soon means. But this is again a 180-degree turn. As Goldman Sachs is also one of those banks who was really against Bitcoin, really against crypto, called this whole thing a scam back in 2017, just like JP Morgan. They also said the same. But JP Morgan has already announced many positive things about Bitcoin, and that they really interested. They have customers from the crypto industry, just like Coinbase and Gemini, two major cryptocurrency exchanges. And now that regulations in the US are changing and banks are more and more open to crypto market, maybe in the future holding stable coins, they are allowed to do crypto transfers for customers. Now it looks like that Goldman Sachs is also changing its mind. And this is very interesting. And this was what happened back in 2020. It had changed a lot. The approach, how institutional investors, how banks, how professionals, how the Wall Street approaching Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. And this is what is continuing in this year, 2021. We are just in mid-January, and these kind of announcements are coming. So this is definitely overall very bullish for crypto, as more and more banks changing their mind, even the major one like Goldman Sachs. And this is, I think, a key thing. And when I'm talking about investment, there is a major investment group, Grayscale, and they have made now a daily record investment, $700 million in a day. So this is our second news. One of the biggest investors is no question Grayscale, and they putting every week tons of money into crypto. They putting in all different cryptos, mainly, of course, it's Bitcoin, and then they have Ethereum, obviously, as a second biggest, and so on and so forth, and a couple of others. You can check out actually the Grayscale report from the last quarter if you haven't done so. And now they have done their own record because on the 15th of January, it happened that Grayscale raised north of 700 million into its family of products. A monument from the fourth quarter seems to picking up speed into the new year, as they did very well, last year. In the fourth quarter in 2020, the company raised 3.3 billion across its cryptocurrency investment vehicle. The latest data from Grayscale shows now on the 15th of January, after this investment, that the firm has recorded 27.1 billion under management and entered 2020 with just 2 billion. So think about it. A year ago, they entered in 2020 with $2 billion crypto investment. Now they're holding 27.1 billion under management. What a significant increase. And this with this extra $700 million in a day. And yeah, that's crazy. If you're looking at bitcointreasuries.org, so this is all about Bitcoin. It's like Grayscale is doing Bitcoin, Ethereum, all others. But when you're looking at Bitcoin, you can see this chart, and you can see that it's already 30 billion US dollar invested, which is the value, it's 42, so it's a nice increase. And there you have Grayscale. Look at here, Grayscale has invested 20 billion in Bitcoin. So what you have seen before in the article, they say they have 27 billion here, but this is into the overall, so with all kind of crypto. And out of that, so you can see how significant Bitcoin is in their portfolio, is 20 billion, more than 20 billion actually now. But look, guys like MarketStrategy doing extremely well. 1.1 billion, roughly speaking, invested since August last year, which value is 2.5 billion already, more than 2.5 billion. So this is a very interesting site. But if you're watching my videos, then you have seen this site several times, no question. So basically, Grayscale, it's very heavy about crypto investment. And this is also great news because what these guys are doing, other investors are just copying it. And more people from Wall Street, more and more institutions decided to put one part of their portfolio, even if you're talking about a very small percentage, it could be like company-wise, like 5%, something like this, but it's already moving into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And this actually is the reason as the cryptocurrency market is now growing very nicely, and we are doing very well in the bull market at the present, which going to just increase. Another news according to Grayscale is that the Grayscale investment terminates XRP Trust, because Grayscale investment is shutting down its Grayscale XRP Trust and liquidating its XRP holding in order to distribute the cash proceed to the trust shareholders. The firm cited difficulty in converting XRP into US dollars following the lawsuit filed by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, against Ripple. So we do know about this case. And this is the reason why actually they dropping their XRP trust. So bad news actually for XRP, because Grayscale, who is actually heavily believing in crypto, investing in many kind of cryptocurrencies, mainly Bitcoin, and also they put very well in XRP. Now they're saying, okay, no more XRP for Grayscale. This is interesting. And by the way, talking about XRP has dropped already on the cryptocurrency top 100 chart because, according to the market cap, it has swapped with Polkadot, as Polkadot became fourth, and now XRP dropped to the fifth place. That's what I'll be talking about in the next news. So yes, XRP is dropping, but even on the chart. And look, it's very important when you look at here. This chart. It's when you're looking at according to the market cap. Therefore, Bitcoin is the leader one. But you can see that even the market cap it's over $1 trillion of all cryptocurrencies. About, roughly speaking, 67-68% of that is Bitcoin. But now you can see that XRP, not that long ago, but back in last year, it used to be place number 3. And then first Tether came, even before the bad news came for XRP, but because Tether, so many people put money in Tether, 24 billion so far, and it was like 4 billion in April or something, so it's a significant increase, but it's a stable coin. So then it moved to place 3 and XRP dropped to place 4. But now after this issues what they have, now they keep dropping. Look, just compared to Polkadot, which actually replaced XRP on place 4, Polkadot went up in the last 7 days 84%. What has done XRP? Dropped 10%. It's what the difference. And look here, the market cap. You can see that it's not just a little bit. Polkadot went up to 16 billion US dollar according to market cap, and XRP 13. And look, Cardano is also coming up. You can see ADA also doing very well recently. If it just continues like that, it's going to also catch up with XRP, and XRP just keep dropping then to place number 6 after that. So it's very important. And by the way, let's talk about Polkadot as well a little bit, because Polkadot ecosystem is a very important, could be a very important part of this whole cryptocurrency industry in the very close future. Of course, we will see how the launch goes. It could be actually this year. But we can see now so many other projects building around Polkadot. And, people see just Ethereum is the only one which is working. I think it's not a great thing because Ethereum is important, but we have this Polkadot ecosystem growing, and we have then Cardano, as you could see, also coming up nicely. Of course, Ethereum is leading because it's already a working one, but Polkadot and Cardano, it's coming up, and more projects will support Polkadot and also then Cardano the bigger it grows. And to do anything in Polkadot, you're going to need a dot. And that's why I believe that the price of dot will go up very nicely. I do remember during the summer, it was roughly speaking $1 something, the dot. Okay, put it this way, because they moved the size of it in a way that it used to be, which used to be 100 dot, it became last year 1 dot. Okay, so it's they moved that a little bit. Therefore, if you could buy 120 dot, for example, that became 1.2. And this kind of 1.2, 1.3, which was during the summer, it went up to 17 already. So just think about it. This was actually in half a year time, it went up that much. I don't know how many percent. Look, I'm going to show you this. Let's go back to a year. Yeah, look at this. September. I have to actually go back max. The reason I cannot see it really, because when new dot came out, the one I mentioned, this is the new dot, then the old dot disappeared, and it came out earlier, but you can see now just the new dot. But even here you can see that in August it was under $3, and it wasn't the start of the Polkadot. As I said, it was the old dot which started it last year. So as you can see it now, then here it went up. And look at in January, in this year, it went from 8 to 18, more than doubled actually in a week. In a week, and we're talking about the cryptocurrency, which is right now at the 4th place. So it's not a small one. The 4th place on the chart, and it could double actually in a week. So I think Polkadot is going to be a major player, no question of that. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're interested in cryptocurrency and blockchain news, as I deliver them every weekday from Monday to Friday. I uploading these videos on YouTube. It's very important, not just like the video, but next to it, subscribe, bell button, and then all, because then you're going to receive the videos as soon as I put them on YouTube. And also, important that if you're new to crypto, then we have a totally free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is right under the video. You just download it, learn from it, because now it's time for education, just like these free videos every weekday. Education, I think, is the key. And we have another course available for you if you're more interested in Bitcoin and blockchain. And of course, check the things under the video, because there are important links for you if you are new to crypto and you would like to start. They're gonna help you a lot. Guys, I'm coming back tomorrow with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.